Have you ever wondered what makes Chicago, the Windy City, so special? Cocooned in rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning architecture, Chicago holds a unique charm. Get ready to discover 7 must-visit tourist attractions that make Chicago a city like no other. First on the list is the iconic Millennium Park. Home to the famed Cloud Gate sculpture and the Jay Pritzker Pavilion, this urban oasis is a hub of art, music, and natural beauty amidst the bustling city. A visit to Millennium Park offers a blend of art, music, and stunning cityscape. Art enthusiasts, brace yourselves for the Art Institute of Chicago. It's a treasure trove of masterpieces from centuries past, housing renowned works like Grant Wood's American Gothic, Seurat's A Sunday on La Grande Jatte, and Van Gogh's The Bedroom. Immerse yourself in the world of art at this globally recognized institution. Next up, we have the entertaining and picturesque Navy Pier. A magnet for fun seekers, it offers thrilling rides on the Ferris wheel, awe-inspiring performances at the Shakespeare Theater, and a plethora of shops and eateries. Navy Pier is a hub of entertainment and excitement on the shores of Lake Michigan. For a bird's-eye view of the city, head to the Willis Tower Skydeck. As one of America's tallest buildings, this architectural marvel offers panoramic views from its 103rd floor. Step onto the ledge for a heart-racing experience. Conquer your fear of heights and witness the city from a whole new perspective. Shop till you drop at the luxurious Magnificent Mile. Here, high-end boutiques, renowned department stores, and lavish brands line the bustling Michigan Avenue. But it's not just about shopping. The Mile also boasts architectural wonders like the historic Wrigley Building and Tribune Tower. The Magnificent Mile is where luxury shopping meets architectural grandeur. Take a leisurely stroll along the scenic Chicago Riverwalk. Marvel at the architectural wonders, indulge in delightful outdoor dining, or partake in recreational activities like kayaking. Experience Chicago's beauty from a unique vantage point on the Riverwalk. Last but not least, we have the Educational and Enriching Museum campus. Nestled near Lake Michigan, it houses the Field Museum, the Shedd Aquarium, and the Adler Planetarium. Here, you can delve into natural history, marine life, and the cosmos. Museum Campus is a treasure trove of knowledge and discovery. These 7 attractions are just the tip of the iceberg of what Chicago has to offer. From the iconic Millennium Park to the enriching museum campus, each site embodies the city's vibrant culture, rich history, and stunning architecture. They serve as a testament to Chicago's diverse offerings. It's a tapestry of art, history, and urban landscapes waiting to be explored. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, or an urban explorer, Chicago is a city that promises an unforgettable experience for everyone.